How to fix biometric device not showing in device manager. The first things first is go ahead to your Windows search and type in CMD. Alright, click on your command prompt and click run as an administrator and hit yes. Now all you have to do is to copy this command right here and paste it on your command prompt. So let's go ahead and do that. Now you'll just have to go ahead and wait for this scanning to be fixed or is to be done. Now let's just head to the next option while that is currently running. Now the second option is go to your file manager or file explorer, go to this PC, go to your current drive which is local disk C drive, then go to Windows, then go ahead and press W on your keyboard and look for WinSXS. Open it up and then go ahead and search WinSXS and search for hello. Now double click on the result and then in the lower part of these files right here, which is hello face, the setup information under the type, right click on it and then click on install. Now once everything is done and it's still not showing on your device manager, all you have to do next is go ahead and go back to your Windows search, go back to your CMD, run as an administrator as always, and from here type SFC scan now. And you'll just have to wait for the scanning to be finished and then you'll just need to check under your device manager if it is already showing. Windows search, device manager, okay. And from here you'll have to check if it's already showing. If it's not, go to view and click on show hidden devices. Now if it's still not showing, you'll just have to restart your PC and try to recheck again. So that's how you fix, or that's how you troubleshoot biometric device not showing in device manager.